Hey, welcome to sound number 2, the d sound. That's right. Now, this is section number 1, but I want to explain to you very quickly how to make this sound. Now, the d sound really finds its root in your throat and also your tongue position in your mouth. So, when I say d or d, it looks like I'm smiling, right? But inside of my mouth, my tongue is literally touching the roof of my mouth. And then from here, duh, duh. It's like right here in my neck, the sound is coming out. So when you make the duh sound, focus on first putting the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Duh, duh. Touch it real quick. Like that. And then from here, duh, duh. All right, so again, after me, duh. Excellent. Last time, duh. Good job. Now let's jump right into the beginner vocabulary words that use the duh sound.